guys, we're here at the golf club and we've got Simply Fruity. Well, she already done hers, but it's a bit of a fail what we've done. Now we're going to do some...
I put my hands up in the
sometimes. Anyway, we're going to do a thing we've never ever done. Alright,
I'm going to take... Wait, can I do it, please?
Right, okay, look. Open it.
Wait, I want to do a tiny spray.
So we're going to take the bottle here. We're just doing a bit of a spray. Yeah, we're going to take it somewhere else. So here we go. Right, I'm going to stand on this table. 3, and 3, 2, boom. Now do it again. Now spray. Now no. Probamos. Bye bye, boss. Hi, boss. Bye, boss. Anyway, goodbye. Well, yeah, just joking. We're actually not going. But look at this mess that we made over here. It didn't really work. Wait, do that. Wait 1 second. So yeah, can fart. Oh, do it again. No, do it better.
Jump. I'll hold it.
No, I can do it too. Oh, wait, do it.
Right, run.
Yeah, we need to run or something there. Well, now we're here and we got Iron Broom.
We're just drinking.
So here it is. But I'm gonna squeeze the can. I'm actually going to squeeze.
It's not done by the way.
I'm shoving you inside it.
In a minute, I'm going to chug down a bit of juice. I got the same eyebrow. Ready? I'm going to chug it. Just once Joshua changes it to night vision. Cheers!
Yeah, I'll be a second. Oh!
Peace.
Right, 1 second. Okay, right now we're in night vision. We're going to chug. Oh, whoa, that's nice.
2, 1.
Anyway.